Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2018 Nissan Maxima. This four-door, five-passenger sedan leads among competitors in its segment. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a power seat, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, front dual-zone air conditioning, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.